In this video, we are going to see that if you want to reset your Discord text zoom level to a normal or default level, because maybe the application shows you the enlarged or very small icons or very small text, here is how you can easily reset the zoom level to a default. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner. If you're on the home tab, just click on the U button at the bottom right. And then you want to head over to the settings. Now the settings can be located on the top right hand corner where it says or shows this gear icon. Just click on that and you will notice that all of these texts are too large. So let's just scroll down and see the app settings. Here's the app settings section, and under here the second option says appearance. Just go in here and you can see that zoom level is set currently to 175%, which is not the default level. So let's click on reset to default. It will set to default at 100%, but it will not save the changes until you save it from the top right. Just click on that and that is it. After that, you should be able to see your text in your application in the normal zoom level. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.